The Proxxon AH80 surface planer, the ideal tool for everything from smoothing surfaces to the production of miters with exactly defined angles. The robust solid die-cast aluminium construction provides the perfect basis for holding the blade shaft, as well as the drive and adjusting mechanisms for the unit's receiving table. Once the machine is activated, workpieces are carefully pushed from the receiving table towards the transfer table. This procedure should be repeated until even rough and irregular workpieces are even and smooth. With the speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute, the heart piece of the machine, the precision ball bearing mounted planer block equipped with 2 HSS blades, ensures a high removal rate and, simultaneously, a particularly even and smooth finish for workpieces of hard and soft wood types. The receiving and transfer tables are made of sturdy, plain-milled die-cast aluminium for a clean surface. In addition to a great appearance, this is also extremely practical, as workpieces literally glide across over the slick work table on their own. The knurled knob below the receiving table is easy to grip and enables convenient adjusting of chip thickness up to a maximum of 0.8 millimeters. The marking on the front of the table facilitates easy reading of the value set during this procedure. Neither right angles nor miters present any problem. The longitudinal stop on the AH80 can be pivoted back and forth by up to 45 degrees for this purpose and fixed in any desired position. This makes the AH80 surface planer ideal for machining boards, slats, strips and many other shapes consisting of every conceivable type of hard and soft wood. Resulting chips are suctioned away immediately by the connected vacuum cleaner before they can create any problems inside the unit. Exactly the right task for our CW-matic, a workshop vacuum cleaner with a practical automatic start-stop mechanism controlled by the electrical unit when switching it on or off. Should the highly durable HSS planing knives suffer from wear at any stage, these are available as accessories in our assortment and can be easily replaced. The scope of delivery includes a rubber adapter for the vacuum cleaner connection, a push stick, a T-Allen wrench for changing planing knives, and comprehensive operating instructions. And the enormous fun of working with our AH80 surface planer is an additional plus we provide absolutely free of charge. Proxxon. Tools with character.